We get started by removing the frames from the hive and then put the frames into a box in a wheelbarrow, then separate the frames between light and dark honey. After decapping the wax seal, the frames are ready for the spinner where centrifugal force will pull the honey from the comb. We'll let the honey sit in a bucket for 24 hours so the impurities float to the top, then we'll double filter it, and now it's ready to jar. The wax cappings along with the empty frames will go back into the bee yard, and the bees will take any of the remaining honey and put it back into the hive. After a few days of the bees removing the remaining honey from the wax is ready to be processed. We'll use a little water to help the wax melt, and once the wax has completely melted, we'll turn the heat down. The wax will cool and float to the top. Now I'll remove the wax from the water, clean it up a little bit, dump the water out, and reheat the wax. Now I'll pour the wax through a paint filter, clean the pot out, pour that wax back into the pot, warm it up a little bit more, and then pour it into cupcake trays. Beeswax can be used for a number of things in woodworking. It's also a great finish when burned into steel, and my wife likes to use it to make candles. The lighter honey comes from the nectar collected in the spring, and the darker honey from the nectar collected in the fall.